Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change from the TurboTax Live to the regular one. Now here, as you can see, I'm on my TurboTax dashboard, and to get to it, it's pretty easy. Simply go to turbotax.intuit.com and then log into your account or create an account if you don't have one. The account creation process is pretty straightforward and easy. And once you are in, go ahead to switch products here from the menu on the left. Now here you can click on upgrade, and here you'll see two categories of plans: the do-it-yourself and the live, which has real experts helping you throughout the process. Now if you are on the live basic, live deluxe, or live premium and you want to go to the normal ones, simply go to the do-it-yourself category and go ahead and choose any of these plans. Now my current plan is the deluxe, the normal deluxe. However, you can choose any of them to continue with the normal TurboTax.